Hi everyone. Well, this is the video that's going to tell you where Skooliepalooza is going to be. This is the area it's going to be in. There's a big area past this red bus. A lot of room right through here. Beautiful views across Limekiln Wash, and the sunset's right over there. We got a beautiful view of that. So in this video we're going to cut to me. I'll show you the way in from the Ehrenberg exit. Hello everybody. Well, if you followed my previous video on how to find Ehrenberg, now I'm going to show you how to find the actual site of Skooliepalooza. If you remember, it's coming out of Ehrenberg or getting off of I-10 from either direction. This is actually exit 1, which is the Ehrenberg exit. And we'll get up here to the roundabout in a moment. So here's the roundabout, and we're going to go on Frontage Road East. So as you're coming around here, the first road, of course, is the exit from the west. Then you've got the one that goes over here to the Flying J. And the next one around is Frontage Road East. And it says dead end, but don't worry about that. Now the first mile or so is paved, and then we're going to get out onto the dirt. This downhill part is the only really smooth part. You get down here on the older pavement and it's a little rough. And the dirt's a little bit more so. I've got air ride, so I tend to drive a little bit faster than those of you who don't. But let me pick this up when we get down to the dirt. So we come around the first curve here, and this is where it turns to dirt. As you can tell by the rattling behind me, it's a little bumpy, but again, I tend to drive a little bit faster than most. The next. So we're going to be going in off, once you get off the pavement, it's a little over 2 miles to Skooliepalooza. The first thing you're going to come to, we have to make a decision, and this road is a little rough, you may hear. You got a fork left and right. You want to stay going to the right. That just goes over to a gravel pit, and at this point the road does get a lot rougher. So even I slow down through here. And around this corner we're going to be climbing up a hill. And I will pick this up as we get up to the top of the hill. Alright, so up here on the top of the hill, lots of open land. I believe this is state land, and that's why if you've watched an earlier video and saw we've moved Skooliepalooza a little bit, because it turned out the original spot straddled state land, and we didn't want to do that. These buses are just staging, waiting to come on up and in. And the road does smooth out some along in here. as you come up this rise, and we're getting up to where Skooliepalooza is going to be. And you should be able to see buses at this point. We'll be right back in there. Well, that's how you find where Skooliepalooza is going to be. Hope to see you really soon. We can enjoy more sunsets like that.